Why do we feel attracted to the mountains? Is it the urge to get away from the mundane? Is it the stunning views that make us feel good? Or is it the wanderlust, the deep desire for exploration that makes us climb them? In the year 2016, I went to my first Himalayan trek to the Mecca of treks in India, Roopkund. I went there with a local guy named Krishna, who later on became a friend of mine. Over the next few years, he would keep calling me back to his village Van, and I would keep promising him that I'll be back. Earlier this year, he mentioned about this unexplored mountain top near his place, which almost no one knows about. It was hard to believe as a lot of people visit this area, because Van and Lohajang have been the base camps to the famous treks like Roopkund and Brahmatal. And still, there was this secluded place that promised a stunning 360 degrees panoramic view of the mountains, and no one knew about it. Before we move forward, this video is done in association with CoinDCX Go. I'm sure by now you must have heard the word cryptocurrency. In the last few months, a lot of people have really started talking about it. Well, CoinDCX Go has made it easier for everyone to buy and sell crypto. It's an ISO certified app developed by India's largest and safest crypto exchange, and it is insured by BitGo, which is their custodian. Simplest app, deposit anytime, withdraw anytime. And just so you know, in India, you are allowed to buy and sell crypto. However, it's not a legal tender, which means you cannot use it for buying other goods and services yet. Make sure you do your research well. I'm going to link the CoinDCX Go app in the description. The feeling of insignificance can have a significant consequence on our minds. Looking at a mountain brings that feeling of wonder at something much bigger than oneself. You stand there and you realize that you are a part of this world. You are not the world itself. You understand that there are other worlds, other civilizations, other people beyond your own world. This feeling of insignificance makes you feel more connected to others. It makes you more considerate, and it makes you more compassionate. There's something inherently admirable about putting yourself in uncomfortable positions on purpose. Mountains take us to places of incredible beauty, and they challenge us to find the untapped reserves of our strength. It shatters the perspective of how far you can go and what you can endure. Climbing mountains let you achieve, endure, and experience more than you ever might have considered possible. Finding that untapped strength in front of a massive piece of rock makes you feel worthy. You realize what you can accomplish if you give yourself the chance. If everyone made a point of remembering Darwin, we might be spared a lot of mountain philosophy and psychoanalysis. Why do you climb? Because it's the natural thing to do. Our modern lifestyles have been around for a short time in the larger scheme of human life on this planet. We've been climbing mountains much longer than that. Humans are driven to explore the unknown, discover new worlds, push the boundaries of our limits, and then push further. We wonder what else is out there in the world. It makes us escape the everyday and explore the unfamiliar. When we look at a mountain, it makes us wonder how it would feel to be on the top. And then comes time for a new chapter of exploration. The wanderlust that has driven us forever takes a new shape to guide us for the next destination.